investors.
This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN 4 p.m. Eastern Time update. We reached the closing bell, and we had quite a day in the markets, and you had some volume, folks. All right, we're going to go intraday, but check out that daily volume on the S&Ps. Now, on a weekly basis, we got a big number as well, but just on a daily basis, that's the biggest volume day of the month. We closed out, and you talk about a little selling, okay? From high to lows, folks, you're talking about almost 100 points, even more than 100 points, from 64.68 to a low of 63.58, 110 S&P points from high to low, and we finished the session right near those lows, and we're going to get Apple and Amazon earnings after the bell today. But let's look at this volume, man. You talk some price and volume. Let's take a look at it on the weekly. Now, we're not going to compare it to the April lows, okay? But the weekly volume bar in the S&Ps have already done 5.5 million contracts. That's more volume than we've done since the week of June 16th, and we have a whole extra day left, folks. So you have the potential, okay, on these weekly bars to get a rip-roaring red that takes out some of these green bars, and you do it with volume. Now, the low of that last green bar is 63.18. And what do we got? Do we got some of the earnings out? We're getting a little bit of a lift right now. You do. You got Amazon out probably. We're up by $2 right now for Amazon. Yeah, Amazon earnings are going to be out. Look at that volume. All right, they're trading higher. We'll see what they say. Amazon's higher. Apple usually out in a little bit. Not out just yet. Apple at 207. They're going to do it again. Oh. All right, just like that. You're back to 234. And let's see what we can pull up here in the moment. So you have Amazon earnings per share, $1.68. You beat $1.30. Sales $167.7 billion versus 161, but you're trading lower, so there's more in there than that, folks. What are they going to spend? Amazon's down by $3, make it $4 right now. You're trading at 230. The headline number was the reason you got a pop, but we are down by a couple bucks. Amazon numbers out, market digesting that, and quite a day for Microsoft. Microsoft up by 4%, and Meta, the big winner, up by 11.2% on the day. S&P's negative by 23, and we get jobs tomorrow, folks. 8:30 in the morning. You got non-farm payrolls tomorrow morning. We got a lot going on. I'll be back 9 o'clock tomorrow. I'll see you then, folks. Have a great night, everybody.